Hi guys, CAT paper have totally evolved. That's why I'm going to call this a new CAT. And trust me, it's more easy to crack than you think, because the problem is we are still looking at the older books. So jitna bhi CAT ka paper have changed over the last 3 years, I'll prove that right now. And the problem is coaching classes have not evolved. They're still teaching from the same old pattern, same old books, जबकि CAT का पूरा pattern change हो चुका है. आज नहीं, कल नहीं, 3 साल पहले. 3 years ago, CAT 2021 was a new paper. 22, 23, which I'm able to predict 90% of the CAT paper was based on our G strategy. This year, if you look at the verbal section, which is always the most scoring section of the CAT exam, if I look at the numbers here, 10% I mean 28,800 students have scored 0 marks. In the verbal section, 28,000 students scoring 0 is a big deal, trust me. 20% but the 57,000 students have scored only 2 marks, which means even if I'm doing 3 attempts, I can survive that. 30 percentile, 86,000 students. That's why I'm calling this video as 86,400 students have scored 1 question correct. And that's huge. Only 1 question correct out of 24 question. If you take an average 26, 24, 22, जितने भी question आएंगे इस साल CAT में, if you do 1 question correct, you are beating 86,000 students, because still a lot of people are following the old pattern. CAT ka paper have totally evolved. So we're launching our G strategy program. In case you want to join this G strategy program, which includes verbal, quant, logic, all the 3 sections with the G strategy. G strategy मतलब basically talking about the new paper pattern. CAT में RC बंद हो गया. Do you know CAT में RC बंद हो गया? Critical reasoning आता है. And still every book is talking about old pattern. So that's why we are changing our books. So this year we are launching our new books with the new updated paper pattern. And the book size I'm keeping as small as possible, so that I can of course score more marks. I'm not scared of the CAT exam. So that's why I'm calling it CAT, new CAT, and it's an easy paper. It's easy to crack. Just I have to follow the right strategies. Fine. So right now I wanted to focus more on the basics. Yeah, let's complete the basics so that I can go for the advanced level. So first 3-4 months. So January, Jan to be almost khatam hone ko aa gaya. Jan, Feb, March, April. These 4 months I want you to focus on the basics, so that from May onwards I can actually start the preparation for the actual CAT exam. जिससे भी CAT से पूछो, whatever they've studied in the class and whatever come in the exam is a totally different things. दो अलग चीजें हैं. There's no link at all between the 2 things. So that's why we're launching the new CAT paper, new CAT mocks, new CAT books, everything new with IIMking. So in case you want to join, the link is given in the description box. So of course your target have to be minimum 80 percentile. If you're weak in the verbal section, you have to do net 6 question correct. So 6 question correct if I can do, I'm going to IIMs. If you are weak in verbal, of course, if you're good in verbal, next target is 99 percentile, which is 14 question correct. So first I will start with 3 question correct. Yeah, 3 question correct मतलब 9 marks. Net correct is 50 percentile. 3 question ठीक कर दो यार, 50 percentile पार हो गया. Next target 6, then 10, and then 14. So that by the time number reach, I can get 14 marks. Especially if you are weak in verbal, we have to use the G strategy. Yeah. See, all of you are good in one area. Some of them are good in math, some are good in logic, some of them good in DLR, verbal. So what is the weak area especially? We have to use the G strategy. G strategy मतलब गरीब बच्चा कि सर पढ़ता बहुत हूँ, मेरे नंबर नहीं आते. तो गरीब बच्चों के लिए we launch this G strategy. Let's score marks. Let's crack this call. So in case you want to join, please join the link which is given in the description box, and let's start the preparation for CAT 2024 new CAT exam.